Don't be intimidated by installing glass tile. It's beautiful and not as hard as you think. If you don't know me, my name is Craig, and I've been a commercial tile installer for over 20 years, and I've installed almost every type of glass tile that's out there, and they're all a little bit different. But I want to give you some tips that'll kind of ease your nerves about jumping into a glass tile installation. Number one, not all glass tiles are created equal. All of them are a little different and need a little bit different care. But one thing every tile installation needs is substrate prep. Whether you've got a larger format glass or a really small mosaic, your substrate needs to be flat. When your substrate is not flat, it's very easy to see in the shine of your tile. Number two, you need to choose the right adhesive. Adhesive is so important in your installation, and glass tile is unique. So your adhesive, whether it's a mortar or a glue, needs to be formulated for glass tile. Glass tile is considered impervious and it needs special chemicals to be stuck. If this information is helpful, click that like button. It helps me out. 2B, let me tell you about directional troweling for your glass tile mosaic. If you don't know what that is, there's a video about it. But when you comb out your ridges for glass tile, you want to also flatten them with the flat side of your trowel. If you don't collapse all the ridges, you could see those gaps and air pockets behind your tile. It's not a good look. After you collapse the ridges with the flat side of your trowel, use a grout float or a beading block to set those tiles in, and they will be there for a lifetime. Number three, the most asked question I get is, how do I cut this tile? Well, as I said before, they're all a little bit different, and you may have to change out your blades and your tools depending on the glass that you purchased. Whether you're using a wet saw or a grinder or even a cutting board, make sure you have the appropriate blade. It needs to be formulated for glass tile. Some pro cutting tips: go slow. And also, if your tile tends to chip, cover your cut with tape first, then cut through the tape. When cutting glass, be careful. It's sharp. It's glass. Keep a rubbing stone close. That'll help you rub down the edges of the glass, and it'll even out some of those chips that are inevitable. Glass tile is beautiful. It works in many installations: pools, showers, backsplashes. It will work perfect for yours. Follow these quick tips, and this will help you have a great installation and help your glass tile system last a lifetime. I picked this next video here just for you. And don't forget, before you click over, like and subscribe, and go see what that's about.